everyone. I am Dr. Pooja Shenoy, a certified hypnobirthing educator and a birth doula working at Fernandez Hospital, Hyderabad. In the upcoming Better Birthing Experience conference, I will be speaking on how hypnobirthing can be used as a technique by pregnant couples to navigate through their pregnancy, labor, and childbirth journey. Through this technique, women feel more in control and use their natural birthing instincts to birth their babies, resulting in a relaxed, calm, stress-free, and an empowered birth. We will also understand the mind-body connection and how the mind, when optimally prepared, can help women have positive birthing experiences. So, see you there.